Welcome to Rediscovering Inner Universe. Isn't it be amazing if we can heal a relationship without even interacting with the person? In all of our lives, there are one or two such person with whom we are interacting day in and day out, and we are having some clashes, but we are not able to tell them. There are some cold worries going on, but we are not able to clear out things. Isn't it be amazing that if I tell you one tool which can help you to heal the relationship without even physically interacting the person? Hi, this is Aritri, and today I am going to tell you about a tool which can help you to heal any relationship. It can be your boss, your colleague, your partner, spouse, your parents, your friends, any of your family members. It can be anyone whom you personally know. Now let us see how we can do that. First of all, we have to change our thought process towards the other person. The way we see the other person, the way we think about the other person, the same thing is going to reflect in our relationship. If we think something negative about the other person, then we will get some negative vibes from the other person too. So first thing, we need to check on our thought. How many of you have heard about the word telepathy? What does that mean? Suppose you are at your workplace and you are craving for some homemade food which your spouse or your mother cooks very well. You are just thinking about the food today, and once you reach home, you found that your spouse or your mother cooked the same food for you. Now you must be thinking, I was just thinking in my mind, I did not communicate, but still how the other person gets to know? Did it happen to you? Sometimes you are thinking of calling someone and all of a sudden you get call from the same person. Sometimes it happens that you want to call your spouse, you take the phone and immediately you get a call from your spouse. Many times this happened with me. These are telepathy. When two persons are very close to each other, it can be your spouse, it can be your parents, you can feel what the other person is feeling. You can communicate without words. But till now, you did not realize it. Without even words, you can communicate with each other. Now the question is, how? Here comes the law of universe. It works because of the law of universe, the law of divine oneness, the law of energy, the law of attraction, and the law of vibration. These are the universal laws. Do you know everything is energy? In energy level, we all are connected. We all are one. In the quantum level, you, me, every single living being of this universe are connected to each other. Physically, we may look different, but in energy level, we all are equal. We all are connected. And this theory is proven by Einstein in his unified field theory. Now, let me share a simple scientific term called quantum entanglement. What is quantum entanglement? Science has proven if two particles, when they are linked with each other, even though they are miles apart, then also if you interact with one particle, the other will react almost instantaneously. This phenomenon is called quantum entanglement. Similarly, in energy level, if we are connected to a certain person, we are thinking about a certain person, then in energy level, we both are connected. We both are entangled with each other. So that time, if we think some positive thought or negative thought about the person, instantaneously the person also gets some vibe from us. Maybe they can realize it or maybe not. But it happens. Did this happen to you that you enter a room and there is a person sitting, and once you enter the room, you start feeling some good vibe or some bad vibe? How you get this vibe? Because of the thought process generated by the other person, your energy body can feel it, because your energy can speak before your word. So whenever we create any type of thought vibration towards anyone, somehow this affects the other person as well. Now let me tell you how you can heal any of your relationship without physically interacting with the person. First thing you need to do is you need to sit down quietly and then close your eyes, imagine the person in front of you, and then start a conversation with the person in a positive way. Do not start analyzing or start saying negative words with the person. Suppose if it is your spouse and you did not like a certain behavior from him or her, and if you tell it to the person, then things end up in fighting. So you do not want to tell it directly, but what you can do is you can mentally connect with the person and then start having a conversation with the person. Start making him or her understand what is your point of view and why you want it to be in certain way. If it is your parents or if it is your boss or colleague and you are finding difficulty to converse with them face to face, then you can again use this same formula. Just think about that person, imagine, and then speak to the person nicely, giving them good vibes and asking for forgiveness, that if you have done any mistake, please forgive. And also say thank you to the other person, that whatever things they have done for you, you are very grateful for that. Have a very genuine and heart-touching conversation with the person. Do not forget to say thank you and do not forget to ask forgiveness from that person. Do this for quite a few times unless and until you see some positive changes in your relationship. And if you do it with wholeheartedly, then definitely you are going to get a result very soon. One thing, do not do this practice with anyone you don't know or the other person don't know, like a film star or a sports person. Do it with a person whom you know, or maybe you are not talking for a long time. Just imagine the person and start having a conversation with the person for about 5 minutes each day and see the positive results in your life. I want to give you a real life example. How many of you had a fight with your parents in your life? Sometimes after having a fight with our parents, we feel very bad. You know why? Because we start realizing that our parents are always thinking for our good. Whatever they're telling us, that is for our well-being, our good. And then we realize that we reacted in a very negative or in a bad way. And then we start feeling very bad about it. Those who all are parents, they must be knowing when the parents scold us, they also start conversing with their kids in their head that, why don't you understand? I told you because of your own good. You are not understanding that if you do not listen to me, you must be suffering and I don't want you to suffer. That's why I'm trying to tell you that don't do this or don't do that. So once they scold us, they start talking to us mentally. And then we also start realizing that yes, we have done some mistake. We should have listened to our parents, or at least we should not react in such a way. Did this ever happen to you? Here what is happening? The parents are talking to us mentally. Because they love us, they want us to be safe. That is why They try to protect us, and then we also start feeling bad, like what we have done is not right. And then we realize our mistake. Isn't it so? So, next time, whenever you feel any clashes are going on with anyone, it can be your colleague, it can be your boss, it can be your friend, or someone in the family, your spouse, your kids, it can be anyone. Just start visualizing the person in front of you and mentally start conversing with the person. Give positive vibes. Say thank you for helping you out. Say thank you for being there with you. And definitely ask for forgiveness if there is something wrong happened because of you. If such things did not happen, then also ask for forgiveness. You are not doing it in person, right? You are doing it mentally. So when you are doing it mentally, if you ask for forgiveness, there is no harm. You can have any type of conversation, but make sure it should be positive, full of gratitude, full of love. If you show any anger, irritation, or any negative thoughts, the same thought vibration will impact the other person. So the person will also start thinking in a negative way about you. So if you want the other person should think in a positive way about you, start giving some good vibes to the other person too. If you really want to heal the relationship, you have to stop criticizing first. Even if you are talking with someone else and you are saying negative things about a person, then also your thought, your actions are not going together. Suppose you are in a conversation with some other person and you are criticizing about some person with whom you are having some clashes, but every day you are giving positive thoughts in your mind, but when you are with your friends you are criticizing the person, then there is no alignment in your thoughts, in your actions, and in your words. First thing you need to do is you need to bring alignment in your thought, action, and words. Then it is going to work very effectively. Try this. Do not speak anything negative, even when you are with other people and they are talking negative about a certain person with whom you also have some clashes and you want to heal the relationship. If the other person is talking negative, just go away from the conversation. You do not indulge yourself saying negative things or thinking negative about the person if you really want to heal the relationship. Practice this and see the positive results within few days. I hope this helps you. Thank you everyone. God bless you.